Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm coming back to you guys with another eyeshadow tutorial. So to start, I'm going to go in with my L.A Girl Pro Concealer in the color Porcelain and apply that to my lids. Now going in with my Makeup Revolution and TAMMI palette, I'm going to be using the color Spice Island in my crease. Now from the same palette, I'll be using the color Trini to add some depth to my crease. Using a smudge brush, I'm going to go into the color Navy and add some depth to the corners of my eyes. Now using a flat concealer brush, I'm going to dip into my L.A Girl Pro Concealer in the color Porcelain and apply this to my lids, cutting my crease. So now I've cut my crease on both lids, and now I'm going to move on to my first eyelid color in the color Girlies, and I'll be applying that to my outer corner. I'll be going in with the color Pink Panther right behind that color, and I'll make sure to blend that in as I apply it. Now I'll be using the color Definitely as my center lid color. Right after that, I'll be using the color St. Catherine to blend that into the blue to create a seamless look. Now going back into the color Spice Island, I'll be tapping that in almost to the corner of my eye. And in that final small section of my eye, I'll be using the color Jover and tapping that in lightly. From my Forever Flawless palette, I'll be applying the color Ibis to my tear duct. I wanted to take this look up a notch, so I decided to use a black eyeliner in my crease to kind of outline the colors and make it a little bit more dramatic. Now to finish off the eyes, I'm going to line my eyes at the bottom and finish off with a cat eye. Then using my Forever Flawless Makeup Revolution palette, I'll be using the color Flare all over my lids. This is the finished look. I hope you guys love it. I loved it. I think it's super cute. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video. Thank you, and see you on the next video.